Nice box, at least I'm gonna use it for some tools. Choose this one because the bearings are replaceable and apparently they are very well made in Switzerland. I spoke with a mechanic, it says about this one can run about 15,000 kilometers. Mine is a Allotech 2, it's run 6,000 kilometers, it's gone. It doesn't bubbling, but you can feel it, you can hear the bearing, there's no grease anymore, and yeah. So happy days, very good. The teeth are completely worn out on one side, so I need to flip the chainring over as well. So as you can notice, the chain ring is now on the inside of the crank, when before it was on the outside. Okay, it was just slide on top of here, and now it's clearly on the inside. Okay, so because of that I had to place an extra spacer to compensate the movement of the chainring from the outside to the inside. It looks like okay to me. I will obviously need to give it a try on the road, but the bottom bracket is spinning well. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. So to remove this sprocket, you just simply need a screwdriver. There is a spline here, just put inside. Try to find the way not to hurt yourself. It's not really easy, but not complicated either. There's a little spacer, you can pull this one over, so this one is what is keeping the sprocket in, okay? So the sprocket is definitely worn out. I'm gonna give it a quick clean. So I'm gonna use the KMC chain. This one is 128 links. Well, we'll see. For a bike, it should be durable and strong. Okay, so new bottom bracket, new chain, new cog, and I flipped over the chain ring, and I also changed the rear brakes pad because it was completely worn out. Now it's time for a test. As you can see from here, the chain ring it's been flipped over, but it's been moved to the inside. So to compensate the space, a couple of millimeters, I had to add an extra spacer on the bottom bracket on the drive side. And so as you can see, now there is the chain line. It's just straight and it's compensating, so it's very good. So that's for now. I'm gonna go for a test ride and see.